wires.
I know. I don't know why did they put everything like that?
So the kids have to wait longer to play.
So it doesn't fall around in the box?
Jeez. Fall around. Put some foam around it or something. Except for then that's not recyclable either. So that would be bad.
He likes all his toys. Look at them. He likes all his toys.
Get it up. Maybe it belongs in there.
No, it's another twisty
He knows
tie.
how to press though.
Another wire.
Gee, all those things are terrible.
Ah,
Looks like we gotta get you some batteries.
ain't that bad.
Yeah, I ended up turning that thing off when I was at the store. I was like, it would just go off for no reason. I'm like, ugh.
Need some batteries.
They're nice and warm.
I know, they look nice and healthy. They're so smaller feet.
And
so little.
Christina's she can wear, I think, fours and kids.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
She has to go in the kids section to find some shoes.
Find some cute stuff.
These are size 6 and they're
Some of the
big.
kids at school, they have these cute little, like, tennies or something, and they have, like, glitter all over them. I'm like, hey, I want something like that.
I've seen some cute.
my gosh.
They're
They're pink.
expensive.
They're, like, pink. What is that?
I don't know.
Is that the fence? Is it a fence?
Stuff for Dad to figure out.
Or a gate?
I think it might go on here.